love this rug.
Wondering why aren't they worried even when their objects slip or fall? Well, smart people never worry. They find smart solutions. They now have KLAPiT Super Tape, the strongest for the smartest. Armed with the innovative enhanced nanotechnology, KLAPiT Super Tape provides the users with the strongest bond that any mounting tape ever had.
That's how I turn a slippery rug into a slip-free rug.
This heavy-duty tape stands out for household fixings, is strong and durable, as well as can be removed cleanly. And hey, it can bear extreme temperatures and is also waterproof. That, my friend, is KLAPiT Super Tape. Bond with the best.